Okay, so we were on the colon. We have already finished commas and quotation marks and apostrophes and capital letters. So today we are going to do the colon. Please understand the rules, because if you don't know the rules, you'll not be able to understand the exercise. So what is the colon? First of all, tell me, how does it look like? How does the
Can
colon?
I say two dots?
Two?
Dots.
Two dots, yeah, two dots, one on top
And
and
one on
the
down.
other one under it. That is two dots. So the colon is used to introduce a list. Why do we use a colon? To introduce a list, an explanation, a quote, or a definition. We also use a colon to distinguish the title from the subtitle and hours from the minutes. This is the most commonest of examples that we use a colon while writing the time, right? We write, what's the time right now? 11 colon 04. Do you see on your computers the time? On your devices, do you see the time? It's always
Ma'am,
11, two dots, 04. So we
ma'am,
use the colon for separating the hours from the minutes. Yes, Migdan, what's your question?
it doesn't show like that on uh like tab. If you do this, if it will
Ma'am, I've
show
sent you
wed
the. Ma'am,
6th October.
sent you my notice.
No, no, I'm talking about the time, Migdan, not the date. Yes, Ayush, what's your question?
Ma'am, I've sent
Okay,
you my
okay, okay.
notice.
I got
You
it.
saw, right?
Okay. So look at the examples. The first one is we are using the in a list. The examinees were asked to bring three things. Okay. And then we put a colon. And what are those three things? A pencil, comma, an eraser, and a scale. So this is why we are putting a colon before starting the names of the things. All right. Next, let's not forget the main issue, colon. So what was the issue? We need to quit using plastic. This is an explanation of the issue. Peter Pan, semicolon. Every time you say you don't believe in fairies, a fairy dies. This is a quote. Where do you see this? It is seen.
Ma'am,
Yes, Migdad. Where do you see this kind of colon? In this
no, no,
way.
ma'am, I'm not in this way. Hmm.
Anybody?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I
Area?
Hmm.
go?
Where do you
Wait,
see
wait,
this?
wait, wait.
Ma'am,
It's not
when we see
seen like this.
Migdad, your mic is on and there's a lot of noise in the background.
ma'am,
Where they put your mic off?
ma'am, I'm saying that
Isha.
we see
Which book,
first of
ma'am?
all in the time and second right in question answer we say that like how what are the ingredients of making a rice cake. So after that we use colon.
No, my question is Peter Pan colon. Every time you say you don't believe in fairies, a fairy dies. What is this? Where do we get to see this kind of
Which page
colon?
number? And which page?
85.
Oh, very good. No.
Grandma.
Okay.
Where do you see this? There. Children, when we doing a play, when you're reading a play, where do you see this? It says Peter Pan and
Yeah.
then his dialogue. There, colon, his dialogue. Tuisha, colon, her dialogue. That's how a
In
play
books,
is
in books,
played,
in books,
right?
in books.
And the character knows that these are the lines that I have to say, in front of which my name is reflecting, right? So where do you find this? In plays. When it is a play that you're
Ma'am,
reading.
in movie scripts.
Correct. In movie script, you will find like this. So you understood? It is the name of the character,
Yes.
colon, and his dialogue that he has to say. Got it? or he has said already. Next is oodles, semicolon, a very large amount of something pleasant. Okay. So what is this? This is oodles.
Meaning. Word
It's
meaning.
a word, and the meaning of the word oodles is a very large amount of something pleasant. So when we are writing word meanings, you separate them with a colon. Got it? You separate them with a colon. Word colon meaning. Word colon meaning. Next. Nihal bought a copy of George Eliot's novel Middlemarch, colon, a study of provincial life. So why have you put a colon there? The name of the book is Middlemarch, and the subtitle of Middlemarch is a study of provincial life. Does anyone at home right now has a book which has a title and a subtitle and it is separated with a colon?
Ayush.
Show.
Ma'am, it is Harry Potter and the.
Show. Does anyone at home has a book in which the title and the subtitle is separated with a colon?
Ma'am, I can check.
Or even if it is not separated with colon, you should have a book which has a title and a subtitle. It is Harry Potter, but what is the subtitle? Let me pin it.
Ma'am.
Harry Potter. Quiet.
Ma'am, Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix. There you can see the page.
No, wait. Ekansh was showing me something. Ekansh have pinned you. Show me.
Ma'am,
Harry
see.
Potter. Wait, keep it away a little. No, how can I see? Keep it away towards yourself.
Ma'am, it
What is
Harry
this?
Potter.
What is this written in blue under Harry Potter?
And the Prisoner of Azkaban.
And the princess?
Prisoner of Azkaban.
Prisoner. So when we write this title in the book, I will write Ekansh is these days. Ekansh is reading the book Harry Potter, colon, and then the subtitle. Okay, that's how I will write. Now Freya also has something. Pin Freya, all of you.
Ma'am? Ma'am, it's
So this is Alex. Where is
Alex Rider and the subtitle is Stormbreaker.
Stormbreaker? Okay, great. Ayush.
Can you show me again? Ma'am, Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix.
Yeah.
No, I want to see the cover page.
Ma'am, the cover page is quite ruined, but there is no colon.
There's no text on it.
Yeah, here it is.
Ma'am,
I'm seeing.
ma'am, the text is Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix.
I'm
It is
seeing here.
and, no. And
And the
no, then it is not a
I'm
sub.
here. And
Then
this
it is
is
not
the
a-
Harry.
even Ekansh has that.
It is
Ma'am,
and.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it's not
Harry
a sub.
Potter and the
Ma'am.
Prisoners of Azkaban.
No, then it is not a
Ma'am. I have one.
Had. Wait, bacha.
Ma'am, Ekansh says Harry Potter Part 3 book.
Ma'am,
That's
Ekansh
what
has a
it is.
book of Dan Brown Reception Point. That is one subtitle.
Everyone pin Migdad. Migdad, show me the book.
Ma'am, Ekansh has Dan Brown Reception
No,
Point. That is a
Migdad, show
subtitle.
me like this. Forward.
Yeah, ma'am, it's not written there, is it? Oh, yeah, it is.
So this says Hardy Boys. Oh, you read Hardy Boys. I love Hardy Boys.
Yes, ma'am.
And I read Nancy.
The Hardy Boys Forever Lost.
Yes.
Hardy Boys Forever Lost.
Correct.
Ma'am, ma'am,
1 second. So it is Dan Brown, semicolon, digital fortress. Got it, people? There
yes,
should not be
ma'am. I
and.
told Ekansh has.
Ma'am, I have Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone.
There shouldn't be an and in between. There shouldn't be and in between. Got it? Then only
I
it
don't
becomes
have any storybooks.
subtitle. Okay. Next. which is a very bad thing.
Okay.
Next is when we use it in time.
Ma'am.
11 colon 34. What is it, Vedi? Vedi has a book.
Ma'am, it's a book.
Unposted letter. And where is the subtitle? What is on top? On top. What is the name of the book? Shh. What is the name of the book, Vedi?
Name of the book is. It's not.
Rudra Jajaria, if you don't have a storybook, that would be sad.
Ma'am,
Let me-
Ma'am, it's Marithya
No, just show me the book on the screen. Bacha. Can anyone? I can't see.
Ma'am, it doesn't have.
Doesn't have. So the title of the book is Unposted Letter. So what can we use here when I say Vedi is reading unposted letter these days?
ma'am, see.
Punctuation mark will I use here?
Ma'am, read all
Quotation mark.
only.
Quotation mark. Quotation mark, because I am telling the
And
title
capital.
of the
Ma'am,
book
I have the series of
and
Voltaire.
capital. Ekansh, you're very. I don't want to.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am.
the series of Harry Potter and Voltaire.
Subtitles.
Ekansh, this is wrong. This is the writer. Sudha Murthy is the writer. Aryaman.
Ma'am, even Dan Brown is a writer.
Dan Brown. No? Yeah.
Ma'am, it is a
No,
writer.
this is also
and he
writer.
has
No?
made a
Roald Dahl.
book on himself. That's why.
Ma'am, I have
Aryaman.
6 parts of Harry Potter at my nanny's house.
Okay. Aryaman. That's the name.
I have 7 parts.
Ma'am, sir, I'm the only one who actually has the book with semicolons thing.
Ma'am, like this?
Of Harry Potter.
Ekansh, please leave my class.
No, I'm sorry, ma'am, like this.
No, leave my class.
Ma'am, like this?
Yeah. Correct.
Ma'am, see.
No, I have more books with semicolons.
Push Ahuja. Avengers Age of Ultron. Correct. This is also with a
Ma'am,
semicolon.
I saw that movie,
And
Avengers
the
Age of
subtitle.
Ultron.
Ma'am, I also have it.
Okay, I hope the meaning of semicolon is clear now. Yes or no? Title and subtitle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Next. No, not the semicolon, the colon. Sorry. Now we are going to do the semicolon. Now we are going to do the semicolon. One sec. So we've done the meaning of a colon. Now we're going to do the meaning of a semicolon. The semicolon joins two independent sentences that are closely related. It often replaces a conjunction or a connective. Conjunction means if I'm writing but, if I want to write but, I will not write but. Instead, I will place a colon there. Okay? Or if I want to write so, I'll place a colon there. We also use semicolon in place of commas in a list that has commas already in it. We will learn this in examples. Rohini never goes out after dark. She is scared of ghosts. Children, please stay in the class for the HRM also. Because in the other class, I have already finished exercise B and C. So I want to be on the same class. Oh yeah, I thought it's HRM after this. Sorry.
Ma'am, it is not the last one.
Okay, let's see the first example. Dhyan Dalal, this is not your playground. Rohini never goes out after dark. She's scared of ghosts. Why are we placing a semicolon?
Popular.
Please pay attention there. I want everyone's camera on.
Popular.
Rohini never switch off your mics.
This is the definition of popular. Liked by many people or by most
Switch
people.
off your mic.
Ma'am, I think this is watching a video.
Rohini never goes out after dark. She's scared of ghosts. Why are we putting a semicolon there? Because we are telling the reason. Why does she not go out after dark? That's why we are separating it with a semicolon. So instead of using the conjunction but, I am putting a semicolon. I would have used but here, no? Rohini never goes out after dark. Sorry, not but, because she is scared of ghosts. Got it or not? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now pay attention on this one. Pay attention on this example. There are 3 important dates in this chapter: February 4, 1922, semicolon, March 12, 1930, semicolon, August 9, 1942, full stop. Why are we using semicolon in this? We can put comma, no, after 1922, 1930. Why? Tell me. Who knows the answer? Priya?
Because to join the date.
Join the dates. Like, why? With a
There are
comma also.
different dates, so we can't put comma.
Why can't? What will happen if we put a
Not
comma
like a
after
list.
1922?
It's not like a list because
Anybody else? What will happen if I put a comma after February 4, after 1922, March 12, 1930? What will happen?
Ma'am, when
There, yeah.
you will, I think so, it will be like that. After you will put a comma after 1922 now, so it will get different from February. From February 4th. It will not be February 4th of 1922. It will be different.
Correct. For example, if I am writing the date, what do I write? I don't write today is 6th October. I just write 6th October 2021. That is the complete date, right? But if I put a comma after 1922, how many items will there be in the list? It will become 6 items.
6 items.
6 items, right? And right now, how many items are there in the list?
3.
3 items.
3, ma'am.
Got the difference? Who all have got the difference? Why do we not put a comma and a semicolon?
Samriti got.
Because we are separating the complete dates with a semicolon, because the commas are already existing in it.
Yes, ma'am.
So we cannot put another comma. It will increase the number of items in the list. Who is this? Oh. Lakshay. Did you understand, Lakshay, why we are not putting?
Yes.
Okay. Imran had finished his work.
Ma'am?
Therefore, he left early
Ma'am?
than usual. Yes, Ayush, tell me.
Ma'am, I didn't understand. There are 3 important dates in the chapter. February 4, comma.
Huh?
So there is a comma after February 4.
Yeah. So it is separating the number 4, which is the date, from the year 1922.
So we won't use colon there.
No. See,
So ma'am,
Ayush,
how? Yes.
see. When we are writing the date officially, how do we write? We just write the number, the date, which is 6th October. No, we write the year also.
Yes.
We write the year also, right?
Yes.
Suppose you've started reading a book today. Okay? So you write it on the book. 6th October, that's it. So when you open it after 10 years, how will you know which 6th October was it?
Yes.
Got it,
Okay.
Ayush?
Yes. No, ma'am. So
the
I got
company-
it that we have to place the year, but I didn't understand the colon for that.
See, read the sentence. February 4, comma. 1922, comma. March 12, comma. 1930, comma. August 9, comma. 1942. How many items have they become? 6.
6. Whereas after colon also there will be 6.
No, there'll be 3. There'll be 3. These are 3 sets. There are 3 sets of date.
Yes,
Ayush.
ma'am.
February 4, 1922 is one date. March 12, 1930 is second date. And August 9, 1942 is the third date. And these are the 3 important dates in this chapter.
Okay, got it.
Got it? Okay. Next, Imran had finished his work, semicolon, therefore he left earlier than usual. So this is the reason why he left earlier. So we are putting the semicolon after work. Okay, insert colons at suitable places in the following sentences. Gobble to eat food too fast. Why are the cameras off? Mikdad, answer number 1.
Yes, ma'am. Gobble, comma. Sorry, colon. To eat food too fast.
Please be ready with a reason. Why are we putting it there? Mikdad, why are we putting it after gobble?
Because
What rule did we do just now for colons? What rule did we do?
Ma'am, can I say?
yes, ma'am. That's exactly what I'm asking myself.
Please do ask. That's important. Yes, Freya. Listen, Mikdad.
Ma'am, because it
Mic is off.
Ma'am, because it's a word and they have written its meaning.
Word and a meaning. Because it's the word and the meaning, that's why we are using a colon after gobble. Gobble, colon, to eat food too fast. Number 2, Anushka. Where is the colon supposed to come? Daksh, Vivan, Karnav, Jahan. This is my last warning. I'm going to remove you now. Vivan, what do you do after, behind the camera? What? Dance. And you don't want us to see how you dance. That can be the only reason. Karnav, Jahan.
Ma'am, we are on the second one, right?
People who don't listen to me, no. I don't like to be.
What,
Anushka has written the answer in chat.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Who is it? My camera.
Ma'am, you
Daksh
told
Patel.
Anushka turn, so she's written in chat box.
Anushka can't turn on her mic.
Ma'am, what is after?
She says that the colon should come after task. Why? I don't want to know the reason. She can't talk, so let it be. Ayush, tell me the reason.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, you need to finish 3 tasks. It's telling that then you need to finish 3 tasks and then it's telling the list. That's why.
Yeah, and after that starts the name of the task. So the first task is wash clothes, second is buy vegetables, and the third is mow the lawn. Got it, all of you? Why the semicolon?
Yes,
Sorry, the colon is coming there. Number 3, Twisha. And number 4, Samriddhi. And number 5, Khevna. Twisha.
Okay, ma'am.
quickly. Listen. One sec, Ishana. Twisha. Ekansh, list means.
Arre ma'am, Anushka is right because we are listing something.
So listing something means we are making a list. For example, I have called 7 people for my birthday, colon, and then the name of those 7 people.
Okay.
That's called listing the names. Got it?
No, I thought she has written we are listening something.
Yeah.
You don't hear
Yeah.
also properly and you don't read also properly. I can't.
Yeah, I can't.
Trisha,
Ma'am, and you
mention-
don't. You have the worst mic.
What?
Ekant has the worst mic because it always makes noise.
Trisha, answer.
Number 3.
Yeah.
Juliet. Colin, what's in the name?
Why?
Why?
Ma'am, can I say?
Lakshay, tell me why. She's saying a colon should come after Juliet.
Because it is a name.
And so, I'll put a colon after my name. Catherine, comma, a colon Shah.
Ma'am, Ma'am, can Ayush say?
Please don't disturb in between people. Lakshay. Because
Because was in a name.
Ma'am, can I say?
Pooja.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Because it is a dialogue.
Because it's a dialogue of person. Juliet says, what's in a name? Yash. Number 4, Yash.
Ma'am, and it's
Number 2, Samriddhi.
Samriddhi number 4.
It's related to Juliet. That's why.
Correct.
Oh, that's
Samriddhi.
Yeah, ma'am. Priya used only 4 colors in her painting: colon, red, green, black, and white.
Why?
Because there is many colors.
This is the list.
Yeah, because
This is
that
the
it's a
that
list.
is a list.
Then the list starts. Red,
But
green,
when will
black,
the comma that come?
Painting.
Colon,
painting.
painting after painting.
Number 5. Whose name did I
Ma'am,
take?
you chose Khevna.
Khevna.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Charles Dickens wrote the novel Colin, Oliver Twist, The Parish Boys' Progress.
Wrong. Yash, answer. Quickly. Yash.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, Ayush.
Novel after novel.
Migdad, are you in your
Ma'am, please
senses
give
today?
Ayush answer.
Migdad, are you in your senses today, or some ghost of a dog or a cat has entered you inside you?
No.
Yes.
Ma'am, please, this is too easy.
I'm just making my voice sneak.
Please don't
squeaky.
disturb the class.
And he is sleeping.
And can I please leave my class? I don't need any sheeps in my class. Yash, this
Ma'am,
time
he is
answer.
sleeping.
Very bad class. This year I have got a very bad class. Yash, this Sai, will you answer today or tomorrow? Where is he?
Yes, Mama. Internet went after novel. It will come.
Wrong. Ayush, tell me.
Ma'am, it will be It will be Charles Dickens wrote the novel Oliver Twist, Colin, The Parish Boys' Progress.
We saw so many books just now. Why did I call the children with the books? The heading should be separated with the subtitle. Title, colon, subtitle. Oliver
Ma'am,
Twist.
I know that.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, that's what I said correct, right? Ma'am, it is because it was a subtitle which has after a title.
Correct.
That's why I told.
So next is insert semicolons at suitable places in the following sentences. Semicolon. There. First. No, there has got a chance. Nishika. Nishika first.
Ma'am, it is
After, just tell me after which word. Your answer should be just tell me after which word.
after outside.
Why?
Ma'am, because she's going for a walk and it's starting another sentence.
Reason. Yeah, it's another sentence. So we are connecting it with a semicolon. Number 2. Aryaman. Daksh Patel,
in first one it will come after outside, na?
Yeah, outside. Daksh Patel. Keep calling his name. He's not going to answer.
Yes,
Daksh Patel, answer number 3. Aryaman, I'm waiting for number 2.
Ma'am, can Ayush say?
Children, time is up. We'll start with exercise C again tomorrow because we've just done the first sentence. So we'll start with exercise C again.
Marks.
I said remind me 10 minutes before.
Bye, ma'am.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
When will you say the mark?
Tomorrow.
Ma'am, today in HRM I will present.